Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale is a 2015 150 Etec, 25-inch. Nice clean freshwater motor. New water pump, new plugs. Everything's been checked out on it. Compression we didn't do yet. We will do that. That'll be listed in the listing what the compression was, and then also the hours and all that stuff. This will come with a what I'd call a flush mount box. So basically the handle is going to stick out of the boat. You're not going to have a control box. It'll just be a what I call a flush mount box. It'll come with a gauge. You got a smart gauge. It'll come with here, ignition key, oil tank, everything you need. And this is a 2-stroke, not a 4-stroke. Just to let everybody know that, because some people don't understand the difference. Comes with I believe it has a stainless steel prop on it. And like I said, that'll be listed in the listing as well. We'll fire this thing up. No warning lights. Everything's working on this. Idling down around 500 RPM. Go and dump my tank out. Turn our fan here, because we do run additives in our gas. Reverse. Trim and tilt. It's a nice clean motor, 2015. Back to neutral. Forward. We'll shut it off here. Shut it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888. I know a lot of people think that these motors are obsoleted. Parts are still readily available for the Etecs. BRP is still making all the parts for them, so don't let it scare you because people say they're not making them anymore, because they don't make the motors, but they do still sell the parts for these motors. Like I said, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a good day.